mic test 1. Okay, let's see. What do we have for today? We already swapped the liquidity of the London session and the Asia session as well. Let me see that quickly. Yeah. Okay. I think the best play for today was on 1 minute. Uh, he had this fair value gap inversed over here. I think this one. And it took out this low. Okay. I think we would have an entry on this sweep. We go to 30 seconds. Yep. Basically, this was IFVG. This is a 1 minute. Yeah, this was 1 minute. See that? Okay. You could have taken a trade over here. If you wanted a quick entry, you can, because it swept Asia and it also swept London over here. So this was a good setup, I think. And trade would look like after here. So we wait for the close, and stop loss would be this, and always we wait for the candle. If the candle wicks us over here, we don't close the position. So basically we don't have a hard stop loss, but if it does close above this fair value gap, and then we manually close it. So it's a mental stop loss. And I think we could have gone break even over here, but when we go 1 minute, break even doesn't matter. So I think break even would be somewhere around here, because this is just too new. very near, and that's not the one we are looking for, the break even. Mm, 9 points maybe. We include at least for 10 points break even. This is the first break even in the target. You can take a partial. Maybe you can take a partial over here and keep your stop loss intact, and then wait for this to get your 90, maybe 50% partial, and then some more over here. So that's basically 1:3. And it also swept this, and it made another reversal, but this one straight went down again, and now it's just chopping away. Yeah, it's a chop. So let's see. We'll wait for, I think the next target would be this low, netting out this low. On the downside, also we have previous week high over here, so we might liquidate this as well and then make the move lower. Also we'll look out for SMTs. We get one, but if you are in green right now, Are we live? Do I share? Yeah, we are. Okay. Some dump there. Hello. Okay, we are expanding. And we are going to move towards this direction. Uh, yeah. Let's wait for a good opportunity here. It made an order block. There's definitely SMTs over here. There's this one. ES already swept this. If you see this, okay, now NQ swept that as well. Yep. That was two. I think this is a good order block entry over there. really great. It was a fair value gap as well. It was CB over here. Yeah, perfect CV and very precise, very precise. Perfect. I think it will expand lower now because what I see over here is we still need to uh, see on the 15. Move this. We still need to get this lows out. I think price is going for that. It swept this low, manipulated, and then it's coming down. Yeah. I think now it's just waiting. We might just manipulate while we flip those lows, and then finally we'll go down to hit this. Okay, let's flip this. Yeah, this was the previous one, previous trade. Yeah. So now it has swept that as well. Still in discount. I think once we sweep this discount zone, uh, the new equilibrium will be, I think technically it should be somewhere over here. Discount. This is the discount right now. Okay, let's see if this order block is respected once again. I think there's no real point in getting in with this order block because it has been chopping lately. It just expanded. Range is also very tight for today from the New York Open. We have this at 5, doesn't matter. But we also have CPI for tomorrow. So good place for that. My mic got turned off. Oh, the battery got low. Okay, sorry, I didn't knew that my mic got turned off because of low charging. So I think many of the good stuff got missed out over here. I need to get a second monitor and I need some more people to moderate me while it gets down. I missed a lot of stuff. I did a lot of analysis over and it just went straight to dump. So what I was trying to talk before was that we had a good rejection over here. This was the final order block which is being followed till now, and we created this IFVG, this candle, and this was being respected the whole time. Also after that we created this fair value gap which is holding the price, and we did our break even over here as soon as it closed. Also in 5 minutes I am watching this order block. I was watching this order block but now it has been dumped. I was planning to get this order block out of the way and it already did. Right now it's not no more valid now because it's already closed. But I don't know why price is rejecting it now. Maybe it might be because it wants to retest the whole thing. I think this was a really quick move. I think I'll just move this because this is just gonna wake off traders. So it should be rejecting now over this CB now, I would say, and trade is still valid because there's no major liquidity point over here that is being from or any PD area that is being followed over here. There's nothing over here basically, but there might be some news or some stuff, but I see there is no news for today. 5, it's at 5, it's not right now, so it should be following. It's just a week off. Anyways, we have already trimmed half of our position and it doesn't matter if any fake gives a break even over here. I already secured $400 off this move. Yeah, so yeah, I've already secured the move anyways, so it doesn't matter. It might create an IFVG over here, but before IFVG I would like to, you know, have a liquidity sweep, and I think liquidity sweep is already done over here. When you see this lows getting out of the way, liquidity has been already swept over here. Now it's just time for the IFVG to form. I think if it takes along this high as well, it would become a high probability setup over here.
there's no major liquidity over here that we should be worrying about. So I think we are good. It's just a manipulation right now. Uh, yeah, this is swept as well. And let's look for a short again. Maybe this order block, maybe, we don't know. I'll just wait for an inversion. I'll just wait for that. Maybe this order block might have turned up against us, the 5 minute order block, this one, and it was a major reaction as you can see. But other than this order block, I don't see anything major over here. I think this was an inverse fair value gap in IFVG, but it shouldn't be respecting this now because it already respected it and it gave a good move off that. I think it's pretty violent condition right now. Okay, no more valid. This is a good sweep over here. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's just wait. We'll take the most recent fair value gap to form an inversion. Whichever gets followed. I'll wait for 1 minute close right now because as you can see, price just went straight up. Minutes. Yeah, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. It just went straight up. Still, this order block is valid. We'll wait for this reaction and then we'll do a sell limit over here. Okay, somewhere around this area, stop loss would go over here on the high, and I would be risking $300 maybe. Yep. Let's go 30 seconds. Let's see. Three, two, one. Yep. Okay. We are in again on the straight. Think we'll do a break even. I don't see a clear break even point over here, which makes this setup a B setup because there's no clear break even over here. Yeah, but the entry is valid. It's a continuation move towards drawn liquidity, and I guess this is a good move. Also, yeah, this is the IFVG. It should be respected. I would go break even over here once again. Break even over here. Let's just wait now. Yep, break even. We are risk free on this trade. Let's find out the 50% so that we can dream. Okay, it's already the time. Okay, this is very violent now. This is very violent. 32, so 16, I would say. This was really quick. This was really quick. And I think I'll hold the rest of it for the lows that we are targeting. Because it still stands true over there. If we go on fab, it still stands true. we shouldn't be doing any more manipulation right now. I'll quickly come back to the stream. Okay, I'm back. I think it formed a really great CB over here. Price can still come back, but the recent CB would be this one. Price might come over here. Probably train half of it over here, maybe 8. I would say a perfect V-shape recovery. Perfect V-shape. Okay, we are out of the kill zone now. We still have the AM session. My bad. The PM session, we still have it. Anyways, I won't be taking any trades after this one anyways, because it's already my limit on trades. Because even if I go break even, there should be a limit on my trade, how much I take. Now it might get choppy one before we finally hit the low. Is the screening equal lows right now? Okay, it is testing the CB. That's what it looks like as of now. We need to see a rejection from this CB. Yeah, with the trend. So I think we are good. This CB should be respected right now. And this lows are very obvious over here. It should be taken out. And we are finally uh, targeting the daily low over here, which is like today's low. So let's see. This is the first OB that started the move, and it has been respected, and overall bias it's bearish as well. And this was, I guess, the previous day low. Yeah, this is the previous day low. Price might hit that as well, so I would like to move it to that. It might take a while before hitting this thing, and that's why I'm trimming 8 over here, and in order to break even on this, 50% should be over here. I'll take half off my position after hitting. Okay, now let's just wait. Let's see how 2 minutes is going on. Yeah, it did rejected the CB very nicely from the 50% level, from the midline. I guess we should be good to go. I would definitely move my stop loss to this area once we close below this. Really great rejection on 1 minute. Okay. Are we in a micro right now? Yeah, we were in a micro. This 950 was off the micro. Analog. We were in the new day opening gap. Rejected from the new day opening gap. We chopped around for a while over there. And I think that's it for the new day opening gap, and there's the another one is over here. We're good for now. Also, this big thing is the daily gap that the price is trying to fill up. I'm constantly monitoring for any SMTs on the ES along with the ES, and I see this one over here. This is definitely a minor SMT. Again, the price has slowed down considering the lunch hour. Shouldn't be trading in this time zone, so I would better get off. Just wait for that to close below. I think it will. I don't think so it will go below the previous day low. I think it will be reserved for tomorrow, so I'm planning to move this over here, final target, and yeah, I think I'll get my half of the amount over here. and we are basically running risk free now. We have already secured good amount of profits. Price shouldn't be turning up over here now. We have done this. Price, if price wants to test any fair value gap, then it better test this one because it has already filled that one in order to move downwards. So further it should be taking this one, and it should show rejection here. We go to 5 minutes. There's still liquidity left. This one has to be filled. So let's wait for that. 5 minutes is closed. SMT is no more valid. Price is taken out that low. Perfect rejection. If this close below the CB, then it's a perfect rejection, and it shows that price still wants to go down, and it will be hitting the daily current daily low. It didn't close. Price never does what you want to do. Price does what it wants to do always. So that is that. We can't control the price, we can only control what we do. And the best move on the chessboard right now is to keep your stop loss above this high, because this is the high which will get broken. If this get broken, what eventually will happen is price will reverse. Now you see this, we have this protected lows over here. We are creating the protected lows, if anyone knows about it. These are the lows which have been tested multiple times. It failed to test it over here. Now it did test it. What will happen is if this close above this, it will create an inversion. This will quickly convert to an inversion, and the price will just start moving in the, like, it will go more on the higher directions because it is being protected by this low. Now the only way to get out of this protected low is to break this low as well, and to not close above this CB. Right now it's not IFVG, it's a CB right now. Okay, I'll save this. So basically it should be giving a close below the CB and eventually breaking this low as well in order to move lower in the direction, in the downwards direction. I can see that ES has already swept this low. Little bit left, still left. So if this candle closes above the CB, then we should be better getting off from this position. We still have like half of the money on the table, like 130. So let's see. Okay, it's a good sign. This candle closed below the CB, so we are moving downwards, and we'll just wait for this low to get broken as well, which will give us assurance that price is actually wanting to move downwards. And price shouldn't be moving any any anywhere near to this area now. It it should straight just dump or just consolidate somewhat over here and just move down. This is what I think price would do, but it's not necessary that this will be done by the price. We have been holding this trade for a while now. We are in a value gap. It's been like 24 minutes already. We had the first trade of the day, this one. We did, I think we took off on the break even, this one. Uh, yeah, this one was a quick break even, entered, and got some profits over here. Okay, so what we did was we sold off over here and we covered our position, yeah, 26. Then we entered with lower risk, and that was 34. Okay, we secured a partial, and then we make it a break even. Again we entered on this IFVG. This was kind of a rage entry, but I think the more rage entry was this one. This was really rage entry. I shouldn't be entering over here, but anyways we were able to secure some partial over here, and then we entered once again as we saw a manipulation lag over here, and we entered with good $300 of risk, and then it went really great for us. It went in our favor. Now we are already halfway. We are 90%, 380, and we are just off a few dollars now. I won't like to risk more over here. The scenarios, I would just like to price to dump. I won't leave profits on the table at better hits. Let's wait for this 5-minute candle to close before we move our stop loss, before we trail our profits any further. Okay, we are seeing a good dump over here. Really nice rejection from this OB. Price retested it. Very minor retest over here, and it actually didn't even went whole way up to retest. I guess so. Yeah, but it it does want to retest. Okay. Did he guys took this long? Yes, already did from quite a while ago. So we are definitely have made an SMT over here. Okay. Let's see what happens over here. I won't be moving my SL now. I would like it to hit the SL, get me out, because it's already SMT and I don't want to risk any further moving with the SMT. If it wants to stop me out, it can stop me out. I won't do anything. And this would be the last trade. I won't be entering any new trades. Okay. And we are done. And we are done. So now this is the protected low. But I think it will move down. It's just coming up over here to test this area, get sellers out of the market, get some buyers out of the market, and then it would go further down. But it could be an IFVG. As always, it can happen in these scenarios. The price is just too strong to move below. If it closes above, there is most likely that price will move up now. And I won't be taking that trade anyways because it's not in my bias, but it should be doing that according to what I have back tested. So that's it, guys, for today's stream. Do make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting out with this thing. Also, like I would be going live most of the days of the week, and I'm also working a part-time job, and I'm just doing this as part-time right now. So I will be there most of days, and I would be letting you guys know on the community tab if I do plan to stream beforehand. Okay, so catch you guys on any other live maybe tomorrow. So see you. Bye.